Hello guys, so for this video, we are asked to expand using FOIL method itong quantity x plus 5 times quantity x minus 3. So dito, using FOIL method, ang pinakauna is si f stands for first. So ang first po natin dito ay si x at saka si x. So x times x, that is actually this one. Ayan. X times x, understandable may 1 dyan na exponent. So, kung same base, copy lang natin. Tapos, yung exponent niya, i-add lang natin. So, magiging x squared. So, bale, ito yung f natin. Sulat natin dito, that's x squared kasi nga 1 plus 1. Next is outside. Ano yung outside? Ang outside natin dito ay si x at saka si negative 3. So, i-multiply natin si x at saka si negative 3. It will become negative 3x. So, yan sa ating O. So, lagay natin dito negative 3x. Next one is itong si I. I stands for inside. So, ang inside is si 5 at saka si x. So, 5 times x, this one is 5x. So, itong I natin. So, lagay natin dito si 5x. Next is yung last. So, yung last ay si L. So, yung last ay ito, si 5 at saka si negative 3. So, 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. So, ito yung L natin dyan. So, lagay natin dito negative 15. But then, as you can see, we have the same po na variable, si x dito, ayan, so, itong gagawin natin, isa-copy natin si x squared kasi wala naman siyang kaparehas na x squared. Tapos, si negative 15, copy lang din natin kasi wala na pong ibang number dyan na constant. Tapos, itong dalawa, ayan, kasi magkaparehas po sila ng variable na x, what we will do is, we will copy the variable x. Okay? Tapos, itong negative 3 at saka si positive 5, i-add natin. So, 5 minus 3 is positive 2. So, meron na po tayong answer.